Alright. Air Canada's retiring a 39 aircraft early. They'll be retiring the Airbus A319 early than expected. So retiring the Boeing 767 early than expected due to this virus spreading along the aviation industry due to ongoing crisis of COVID-19. And Air Canada is set to retire Airbus A319s and 767s retiring early than expected due to ongoing crisis of COVID-19 spreading. Say goodbye to the same 9 aircraft, including the Airbus A319 and also the Boeing 767-300. Yeah. To the ongoing crisis of the COVID-19 spreading. So Air Canada is retiring 79 aircraft due to the COVID-19 spreading crisis. The COVID-19 saying goodbye to Airbus A319 and also the Boeing 767-300 ERs doing there'll be major changes to overhaul schedule. Be retiring the 79 aircraft for Air Canada, retiring the 79 aircraft. They'll be retiring due to COVID-19 pandemic. Air Canada will be retiring 79 aircraft earlier than expected for aircrafts. To the ongoing crisis of a COVID-19 spreading. The ongoing COVID-19 crisis. Air Canada is retiring the E190s, Boeing 767 and A390s earlier than expected. So that's it. So we'll be retiring the all C9 older aircraft, all C9 older aircraft to the ongoing crisis of a COVID-19, A319s, B767s and E190, Embraer 190s. So that's it, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.